Imagine a giant mixing bowl where the power of the Atlantic salt meets the steady flow of our major rivers. As we head north to Maryland's eastern shore, the environment shifts toward the influence of fresh mountain runoff. Here, in sheltered, marshy coves and quiet tributaries, the oysters develop a mild, mineral-sweet flavor profile. Crossing into Virginia's bayside creeks, the water grows deeper and the currents grow more consistent. These sheltered waters shape a creamier texture, a hallmark of the mid-bay region's bounty. But for the boldest flavors, we look east to the Atlantic seaside lagoons tucked behind the barrier islands. Here, the high salinity of the ocean creates an oyster that is bright, sharp, and intensely briny. Finally, we reach the mainland rivers of the western shore, where the currents run deep and dark. The river's flow and its ancient sediments shape these oysters into something deeper and more earthy. Everywhere you look, there is a movement to restore what was lost. Massive shell piles wait to return to the bay. Beneath the surface, young oysters are clinging to new life, while underwater grasses begin to flourish once more. It isn't just large-scale restoration. Homeowners and family growers are tending cages right from their own docks. This collective stewardship is helping to rebuild a population that defines our waterways and our way of life. Join us as we explore more hidden stories of the river and the bay,